Afternoon. Please don't ask me how I feel this morning or this afternoon. Please don't. I'm sorry. I'm losing once again. What's going on this week? The only way you can console me is to like this stream. That's it. I don't know what's going on, man, with me this week. I'm on a NASDAQ buy, small profits. I'm about to be stopped out on British pound USD. I really don't know what's going on with me this week, man. Like, I don't know. I don't know. There's nothing good about this week, unfortunately. I don't know what's going on. If you are having a profitable week, man, God bless you. You deserve it. I'm sorry to come on a stream like this. I'm sorry to come on a stream but I'm not in a good mood, guys. I'm really sorry. I'm not in a good mood. I just can't get good trades. I don't know why, but for some reason I find myself trapped into consolidations. I have a consolidation level at fine. I have $1.03. I've got $1.33. I'm ranging in between. I'm trying to get intraday setups, at least some scalp positions on 5 minutes, 10 minutes. For some reason, I get stopped out and this thing goes my direction. You saw with the trade that we took on Monday, stopped out, went to TP. It's so frustrating. I don't know if I'm putting tight stop losses or what, but for some reasons, these trades go our direction, but they trigger the stops. And I'm just thinking that, ATR, what are you doing, buddy? What's wrong with you this week? Don't even know where my glasses are at. So right now I'm just doing damage control. I'm managing my trades. I cannot even greet you guys. I'm sorry, family. It's just one of those days. I need something, man. I need something. It's been a horrible week for me. Siyabonga, it's sad, my friend. I know we sign up for this, but it's sad when it's, you know, like when it's just too much. It's sad when it's just too much. It's okay sometimes to lose, but when you're having a losing streak, especially when these things goes your direction, man, you get so pissed off. I don't want to lie. I cannot catch a break this week. I really cannot catch a break. I know we sign up for this, but sometimes it gets to you, eh? Alright, guys, let's like the stream, please. Let's like the stream. After a very powerful 3 weeks, this week we can't get it. What's going on? I don't want to lie, and I don't want to sound like I'm greedy. We had a very good May. The month of May has been good to us as a community. If you were taking the trades I was taking, man, it's been a good month. It's been an absolute good month. But for some reason, it's like we're giving back the money we've made. And that's what pisses me off. We're giving back the money that we've made. Not all of it, but some of it. Look at my NASDAQ trade. There are news coming now at 3:30. Or 3:45. These ones that are coming now at 3:30 euro don't really bother me. So I'm sitting in a meeting today, like I've been doing meetings the whole day, and I'm just monitoring this trade just before I left for the meeting, right? I'm also looking through my phone. The minute I just got home and I'm about to stream, 30 minutes just before I stream, I'm home. I just get home now. You know, I stream from home. I'm looking at this market and I'm like, I'm calculating everything that I need to calculate. I need to get something. And this is what happens. Can we like the stream, family? Sabonga, very good question. Do you limit your trading in a day for moments like this? Absolutely, my friend. I'm sorry if I lose this trades. I'm ending the stream. I'm sorry, guys. I'm just not in a good mood. And one was saying, but Mr. President, why would you do that? The thing is, the stream requires me to be on the charts, and according to my trading plan, if I'm experiencing like a day like this, I need to be off the charts, and the stream unfortunately will require me to be on the charts. I'm just following my trading plan. It has nothing to do with today's emotion. It has everything to do with the experience, right? That when I have days like this, I stay off the charts. I do something else. I'm about to lose this NASDAQ trade. But I'm still above view up. Maybe I can console myself with that. As long as I'm above view up, something can still happen. I'm on a 10 minutes time frame, trading at 21,110. Maybe just because I'm above view up, that's where I can base my analysis on. One can say, Mr. President, on German 40, maybe sell here at 23,945 and take it to the downside. Well, market just, we're just having an open now, so I think we just need to chill. But close below view up, don't have hope anymore. Don't have hope anymore. I don't have hope anymore. The thing is, I'm not disciplined enough to be on the charts after a losing streak. I'm not disciplined enough, so I just follow my trading plan. You are losing, chief, get off the charts. Get off the charts, follow your trading plan, that's it. This week alone, I have lost close to 25% of the profits that I've made in May in 1 week because I've taken a lot of trades. I'm sure you guys can attest to this. From Monday, I've just been taking trades that are not going my direction. Yeah, I had one good trade that won yesterday, but still doesn't make much of a difference. $25% of the profits made in May lost in 1 week because I took a lot of trades. This British pound, yes, I know it was a high risk trade, but as you can see on the group, this is what I've sent on the group. This was a high risk trade on British pound, so I sold it at $1.34, right? At quarter to 3. This was a high risk trade on the British. I want to walk through. Let me walk through it. Even though the broader trend is pushing upward, I know it's an upward trend, and I was aware of that. I took a shot based on an intraday setup, specifically a view up rejection. Price had been climbing backward towards view up, which is the volume weighted average price, but failed to close above it. Instead, got rejected right at that level. That closed below view up, especially after a lower high, suggested sellers were still active and defending that level. It's not a trend following trade. This is a fade against short-term strength, expecting momentum wouldn't carry through. So I just want to take advantage of session open, right? My stop is tight above the rejection candle view up, and my target is based on potential move back to the session lows. Risky, yes, but calculated. Sometimes you just have to trade what the market is doing now, not the overall direction. So I just wanted to get something like in and out. If you look at this trade, it's more or less the same as euro dollar, right? So if you look at my sell on British pound USD, right, I have something similar. This is euro dollar, right? I'm on 10 minutes. Yeah, 15 minutes, 1 hour. Yeah, we are experiencing an upward trend, right? So if you look at this, I was expecting something like this to at least happen, right? A though view up was around here where I took my sell short position, right? I was expecting something like this out. If the market continues to go up, I've already hit my target, maybe at the lows of $1.12, right? More or less the same setup, but somehow this one is not it's really not playing out, right? Same thing, right? Go at this level, trap obviously the sellers, hit my TP, go my direction. That's why I took this trade. And this is where you get pissed off. I would have rather taken euro dollar than this. I would have rather taken euro dollar than this British pound, because euro dollar could have hit my TP nicely. But why I was not convinced with euro dollar is because we were still above view up, but I needed the rejection, at least tap the view up at $1.13, give me TP at around $1.12, in and out. If this thing continues to go up, I'm still good. So I was basing my analysis on that. Yeah, almost got stopped out. I still don't have confidence in what I'm doing, man. And it feels like whatever I touch this week is turning into platinum, not gold. And in trading, this is where your psychology is really tested. Can we like the stream, family? For those of you who just join us, once again, I'm on 2 trades that are losing. NAS is about to be on my break-even point. Once again, family, my team and I want to apologize once again for the interview that didn't take place yesterday on ENCA. As you know, that it was postponed, but yeah, we did try to send communication to as many people as possible. This interview here was postponed due to the fact that we had Trump and Ramaphosa. The interview was about that. So what ENCA producers thought maybe the meeting would be before or after, but only to find out they were streaming it live on channel 403. So I couldn't have it at, as you know, that the interview was supposed to happen at 7:15, but we couldn't have it that time because during that time there was a heated exchange, obviously, between the two presidents. So that's why it was postponed. But yeah, we'll keep you guys updated. I know my manager since morning is being engaging with them to find out when is the next interview. But yeah, we'll let you guys know. Apologies. We really didn't plan that. Trump was supposed to start the meeting, or Ramaphosa was supposed to arrive at the White House at 5:30. but he arrived a bit late. I think he arrived around 6 o'clock, so he was like 30 minutes late. So yeah, we didn't plan that. We didn't know. Look at that NASDAQ. Oh my word. Just when I thought something maybe could happen. Yeah, let's give it 3:30, maybe. NASDAQ goes below 21,100, I'm screwed. I'm out. Give me a fighting chance just at least at 1:30. What time is it now? 1 minute to go. Give me a fighting chance. But I tell you, just at 1:30, I can be stopped out and this thing goes my direction. Just watch. I've seen this movie before. I remember back in the days, the time we were trading binary, we would freeze a trade. Have you guys ever heard of that? You could freeze a trade like this. Freeze it, let the volatility go, but you're still losing. I wish I could do that. Freeze the trade, let momentum go, and hopefully I have a fighting chance. Right, seems like I'm still having a fighting chance on British Pound USD, but still not really convinced. Do you know times like this you become so superstitious you wish you could switch off music maybe? I can't enter any trade now. I don't have enough margin. I can't do nothing. That song of Sobanana Matunwing is playing in my head. You guys are listening to something else. But in my head, Sobanana Matunwing is playing. Full blast. Come on, NASDAQ. Give me something to bite, buddy. The only way I can also have a fighting chance on British Pound, let me close below $1.34, close below VWAP, get me a rejection, tapping that VWAP. Again, we just tap point of control at $1.34. Again, man, I might be having a fighting chance. I might be, but still not convinced. Look at what NASDAQ is doing. Just playing with my emotions. Just take me out already. If you want to. One can say, Mr. President, you had a chance to close your trades. I'm not in this business to play around with emotions where I close trades, break even, close trades. I don't do that unless if I've got a reason. I entered this knowing and calculated the risk. I analyze this to win. So even if I don't want to do that, I don't want to. One can say it's stubborn, but yeah, man, I'm just following my plan. This thing's stopping me out. It is okay. I had a fighting chance. I'm out. But believe when I tell you that as much as I'm out, this is what is going to happen. High chances that it's going to go my direction. Really pissing me off. Crazy, man. I'm out of NASDAQ. Yeah, one can say, Mr. President, you are supposed to close break even. You are on break even close. British pound, you are also on break even close. I'm here to run a business, not here to entertain going break even all the time. If I go break even, I need to have a valid reason why I'm closing trades. But I will never let fear dictate that close and open button. Never. Because that's a behavior you're going to have in your system, and every time you're going to always play like that, then that's an amateur behavior. You lose, brother. Someone said, MJ, am I allowed to pass by your office and get I also need motivation, buddy. I'm sorry, but I need motivation. As I told you, I've seen this movie before. I've seen this movie before. Where these crazy indices will stop you out and go, man, my head is about to blow. Like, I don't know how many times I've seen this week. You take me out, you go my direction. I don't wanna lie, I'm stressed, man. Dino, where is my discount, buddy? The best discount I can ever find, 21,105. For me, that will be the best discount. We have already tested this low. I couldn't have bought at this discount, right? Yeah, I understand. Premium level might be the price that you're talking about. But remember, we are at the low. I'm still going on the low, and I don't know how far low can I go. And the best discount for me was going to be just buy above close of VWAP. That's it. You are having a railroad around 21,100. That's the best discount I could have gotten, because I wasn't going to confirm this if 20,000 if it was my discount. You understand what I mean? Look, I'm trending to the downside. I have a high at 21,500. I go below 21,200, right? Yeah, one could have said discount at 20,000, for example. I cannot confirm that because I'm still at the low, right? Possibly, yes. If you say 21,050 is discount, I would agree with you. But remember, this 21,050 only printed now. And I just wanted to take advantage of market session open, right? That's what I wanted to do. Maybe I could have used this. Again, I cannot confirm if 21,050 is discount because this thing is tapping both sides. Because remember, as much as I want to buy at the discount, sellers are also looking to sell at the high. We are looking at the same thing. And for me, this thing is tapping both sides. In my opinion, both sellers at this point who are scalping are screwed. I hear you, but the best possible discount could have only been at 21,100. Yeah, Savage, I hope that, my friend. I'm just hoping this market would. I'm sick of it. Still, Dino, my lowest time frame for me to trade is 5 minutes. I'm still not getting anything. Look at 5 minutes. I'm still not getting anything because I have taken out this low. I'm just below it. So for me to buy it here, according to my rules, that would be too risky because I don't have anything to confirm it with. Still, on 5 minutes, I don't have anything. I'm looking at intraday setup. This is a low that I had yesterday. You are closing below that low. I cannot go to 1 minute, buddy. That's the thing. I don't trade 1 minute. You guys that are on 1 minute, yes, maybe you could have seen something better. That's the thing. My rules doesn't allow me to go on 1 minute. That's the thing. The lowest I can go is at least, and if I'm going to tweak and break my rules a bit, possibly 3 minutes. But I cannot go to 1 minute. That's the thing. That's it, bro. Your rules cost you to win 3 out of the 4 weeks of May. Exactly. Stick to your rules. Yeah, man. It is what it is. Had good 3 weeks. Now I'm having a bad week. By sticking to the rules, I cannot break them. I cannot change my rules because of losing three trades in a row. I cannot. I've worked so hard to create those rules, and they've benefited me so much. I can't break them at this point. I just have to honor them. That's what makes you a good trader. That's what makes you a good entrepreneur. Don't mess around with your rules. I really had good 3 weeks with you guys. Good 3 weeks of May. I cannot change them because of this. But I'll be honest with you, man. I'm not gonna sugarcoat anything. My psychology at this point is messed up. No one wants to lose. I'm just had, man. And I think what hurts me the most is that these things, they go my direction after they stop me out. Tell you what, I'm looking at 5 minutes. I'm looking at 5 minutes. It seems like we cannot penetrate between $1.3424 and $1.3450. Right? So I might be trapped. Close this. Close it as it is. And just go with my life. But I'm going to ask you, family, from the bottom of my heart, I cannot continue trading today. I cannot look at these charts. My psychology is messed up. I just need to get off these charts. Closing British pound on this break even or on this small loss. Please allow me to close this and end the stream. I'm really sorry. I just have to honor my rules. At the end of the day, one can say, but Mr. President, the stream is for us. I understand and I respect you guys so much, but I also have to honor my rules. If I lose like this, I cannot be on the charts. I need something to distract me. Maybe look at some things, read a book. Some of you were suggesting I go to gym. Maybe it's high time I go back to gym. I don't know, but I'm not feeling good, man. And I don't want to make mistakes. So I'm just going to leave it with this. Guys, thank you so much for tuning in. We might possibly stream again tomorrow. So for those of you that have just joined us, one loss again and one break even. We leave it as it is. It's another day. It's another loss. It's nothing I can do. These markets are beyond me. But as long as we are profitable for the month, lost now with this loss on NASDAQ, we've lost more than 25% of the money that we've already made. It's not a good feeling. It sucks. I don't feel good about myself. I'm a human being as well. I sometimes feel like this. Though I'm a pro trader, I feel like this. No matter even if you can be a pro business person, as long as you're losing money for your business, man, I don't think you can just go into your supermarket and see you lose money and just smile the whole day, and you will not have that sense of why is this happening. I'm going through that right now, and I really want to continue with this stream, but unfortunately I cannot, guys. I don't feel good. I don't feel good. But thank you so much for tuning in. Another loss. It happens. What can I do? What can I say? I pray that I bounce back. But I think what I'm going to do is I'm not trading this week again. I'm done. It's a Thursday. Tomorrow is a Friday. I don't even want to be... I don't even want to... Yeah, if I stream tomorrow, I promise you, I'm not going to be taking trades. It will just be about... There's a lot I wanted us to do today. But like I said, I really want to save you guys while my psychology is good. I'm in the good place. And I don't want to make mistakes. Because my emotions right now are high, right? If I watch these charts and I'm just thinking, man, you just broke even and you just lost. I'm just thinking, I can make mistakes. I can try to revenge. It happens. And I'll be honest, I have weaknesses. I'm not as disciplined as some of you when you can tell yourself that I'm not going to trade because I'm disciplined. I'm not. I know I'm not disciplined in that regard. That's why I always have my rule book, right? My rule book will always guide me to run this business. All right. So it's fine. It's okay. But yeah, I'm wishing you guys all the best. I'm just wishing you guys all the best. I believe we might see a target at 21,200, maybe, because that's what has happened. And I think that what is also going through my head is, MJ, you need to go back to the drawing board. Why did this week you experience a lot of stop hunts and these trades go your direction? Maybe I need to review that over the weekend and see what happened. You know, some of your comments are coming tomorrow. Mukhalison, tomorrow we can just talk about business and investment. Give us some advice, because some of us make money from the charts and don't know what to do with it after. Yeah, maybe that's a conversation that we can have. That's a conversation that we can have maybe tomorrow. I kid you not, man. This NASDAQ, the way I've analyzed this, I really thought I had it. I really thought I had this NASDAQ. Don't want to lie. Because in my opinion, a lot of sellers are coming in right now because of this high here. I was just thinking we break above this high, stop losses taken out for many, and I'm out. You know? Libu is saying, I can't believe MJ is being this emotional. My kid's money is on the line, buddy. Next, I'm not panicking, buddy. Look at what just happened, man. Like, I need you to understand one thing. I've been taking these trades with you guys from Monday. 90% of all those trades stopped me out and go my direction. And here's proof. What do we call this? Don't you think this is painful to see? And I know some of you that are not maybe experienced, obviously, with respect to you guys, might think the market maker is after me as an individual or what. No market maker is after you. Chances are where I put my stops, we've got millions of people putting the stops there. Look at that NASDAQ, man. This is painful. You stop me out. Now I'm 90% close to TP. This is painful. Libu, I'm not being emotional. My kids' money are on the line, and I'm losing money for that feeds my kids. Look at that NASDAQ. What do you guys call this? Oh. I told you guys 15 minutes ago that I've seen this movie before, man. This thing stops me out and goes my direction. How am I getting my stops wrong? I'm getting that direction right all the time. I don't know, man. I don't know. It sucks. This is what I had said to you guys. The reason why I saw this thing is that I saw this high here at 1,170 or so. A lot of retail traders are going to sell here, put their stop losses there. Where they put their stop losses, this is where I had initially put my TP. Intraday, man. Scalp these things on 10 minutes. Oh my word. Guys, let it be a good evening for you guys. I think I need to bounce. Thank you so much for tuning in, guys. I'll see you tomorrow.